baby?
Probably. You see how fast it's breathing?
Yeah.
I think it probably needs to eat.
So, I mean,
Might have hit though.
yeah, and his mouth's closed now, which I feel like is a good thing. Before, he seemed stressed with his mouth open.
Yes. Pretty bird. I want to say it's some kind of a finch, but
Yeah, it is.
it looks like a big one. Look at its left leg. That one of its toes doesn't look spread out evenly. I wonder if that's, well, that one doesn't either though. Neither one of them look.
This looks new, but I don't see a nest, and that's what I was looking for. Maybe he fell.
Could be.
If he's too young, or she, since we don't know.
It's the kind of thing where if we leave it alone, maybe the mama will come and feed it or something. But it's not crying out. You know what I'm saying? Usually it would cry out.
I'm surprised it's not at least hopping away.
I know, that's kind of why I was looking at its foot down there.